Good morning to everyone, my dear students. Today we will discuss a popular novel of R.K. Narayan, The English Teacher. English Teacher is one of the distinguished novels of R.K. Narayan, and it is written in 60s and 70s. It is an autobiographical novel because it has all the qualities of a real autobiography. Many of the incidents that have discussed in the novel are very similar to the incidents that took place in the life of R.K. Narayan. As we all know, R.K. Narayan is a distinguished novel writer. He is recognized among the trio Mulk Raj Anand, Rajarao and R.K. Narayan. He has produced a good number of novels, and most of his novels are very realistic. They reflect Indian society before and after independence. His novels are set in the era of Gandhi. He expressed his concern to the national movement, how each village in India were responding to the call of Gandhi towards freedom. In this particular novel, The English Teacher, we have some of the personal aspects relating to the writer is discussed. English Teacher is a novel which uphold the mirror to the English teachers as well as English learners in India. In other words, it asks a basic question. It asks the basic question: how worth is it to learn English literature in India? We have a very rich literature in India, but we are not giving undue importance to Indian literature. Most of the universities and colleges have fallen behind English literature. The question is is it essential to learn English literature in present scenario? Because it represents alien culture, alien sensibility, and alien social setup, alien political and religious propaganda. Nowhere it is related to Indian society. But some of the writers, even in England, like Shakespeare, Carlyle, T.S. Eliot, Milton, Wordsworth, seems to be universal. Apart from those writers, R.K. Narayan mildly, sarcastically discussed this view. How is it worth to study and teach English literature and English texts in Indian classroom situation? Though he was a professor of English, taught many years literature of English, he come up with the expression through the character of this novel, Mr. Krishna. Mr. Krishna is the chief protagonist of this novel. Like all other novels of R.K. Narayan, English Teacher is also set in the background of Malgudi, the imaginary town of R.K. Narayan, which is a popular town of South India, which is made very very popular by R.K. Narayan in most of his novels. Its locality, its natural setup, Saryu River, the various streets in the city, and Mempi Forest, all realistic aspects of a nature have been proved that we cannot imagine that Malgudi is an imaginary town of R.K. Narayan. We feel that it is situated somewhere else in North India. But in reality,